Hey, y'all. It's Rob Slade. Rick and I won't leave me alone. Itching. I got a few things I want to say to some of the people out there that has YouTube videos or YouTube channels. I've helped out. I posted things that you've shown on there on your channel on my Facebook, so you can get more people to subscribe to you. And I've been trying my best to do a bunch, but storms around here, just by the time they get here, they fall apart. We've had that one big good one back last month. Got an itch. Back last month, and had like 70, 80 mile an hour winds to it. I think it was a microburst. But after that, really ain't had nothing else. Now, I've been trying to videotape other things. I've been wanting to go out camping, go out fishing. A buddy of mine was wanting me to go out camping this weekend, but hell, it's 95 degrees outside. That's not camping weather. No, not for me. Not when you're on kidney dialysis, heart medicine, and a bunch of other crap. That's my biggest issue is my health problems. I'm on kidney dialysis 9 hours at night, three 6,000 liter bags that go in me, 2 per bag for 9 hours. And last night it was hell. My stomach was tore up from it. Kept going, having to go to the bathroom. You guys don't want to hear all this. But I've got a 4-wheeler I'm trying to work on. I can't get enough energy up to go out and do that. I'm wanting to go out today, but I'm going to wait till it cools down a little bit. The stimulus package I thought we were supposed to got, I needed it to help get a few things that started for me on YouTube. You know, the laptop, and I was going to try to get direct TV with internet, and that way I can get use that laptop to download with a new GoPro. I was going to get that Dragon 7 and to help out my YouTube channel. But I'm wanting to get out. I like doing craft things. I've got hang on a minute. I like doing model planes, old World War II planes, and painting them up, detailing them, fixing them up. And I've got about 52 of them. And then I like to cook. I like to go fishing, hunting. Oh boy, hunting season comes up. If I'm able to go, I'm going. That's the reason why I'm trying to work on that 4-wheeler, get it running, so I'll be able to not walk back, but use the 4-wheeler to take me back there to where I'm close enough to my blind I can walk to it and get in it. My body is so wore out from all the medicine and other things that's going on in my body. I can't walk as good as I used to. Trying to pick up stuff. My upper body is a little bit stronger than my lower body. Trying to pick up stuff, it's hard. I've got to go to a friend of mine's house and get a welder that he's got and make me a bracket to put on the 4-wheeler where it'd be able to lift up a deer and stick it on the back of the 4-wheeler. I've got a 2009 Baja Wilderness 250. I think the clutch burned out in it. And I know how to do all that. I had a 1984 350 Warrior Yamaha. The crank and all that was messed up in it, so I totally rebuilt the motor. Used to race motocross and quads and everything else when I was younger. Now it's catching up to me. But I've got a lot of things I'm wanting to do, and I'm just kind of irritated that I go and help other people with their channels, post their stuff, share the things, and do whatever else. And I've been asking on Facebook to people to share on mine, not share, but subscribe on mine, and nobody seem like they want to do it. And I don't want to diss anybody, but nobody just seems like nobody wants to help me get my subscription going. I know I need to do more. I'm going to try to start doing more. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say. And it just kind of irritates me that I help everybody else out, but it seems like when it comes to me, he ain't no good. To hell with him. Just give me time. Just give me time. I will be better. My health right now it's no excuse. My health right now is keeping me from doing what I want to do. You can ask my roommate. We went out to eat last night. Just to walk 100 yards, I was so out of breath. There's so much fluid in my stomach after the treatment. There's 3,000 liters of fluid in my stomach. I couldn't hardly eat but half of my food. And just walk 100 yards afterwards, I was so out of breath, I couldn't hardly breathe to get back to the vehicle. I thought I was going to have to get him to go get the vehicle for me. But I stopped a few times and was able to, get some air in me and walk on. And if that's what I got to do when I'm out deer hunting, that's what I'm planning on doing. But I'm going to post this on Facebook, and y'all out there would help me subscribe to my channel, please. If not, I'm just going to forget about it. I'll do my live videos on Facebook when there's storms coming in, or live videos on working on a 4-wheeler. But I'd appreciate it if you guys would. I'll talk to y'all later.